Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Lincolnwood, local and long distance movers near me. If you're wishing to take the stress out of your move, our skilled movers can help make your long distance move much easier. We help you with your move no matter how far you need to go, from 100 miles to 1,000 miles. With us, you get all the right moving services to make moving day a lot simpler. In addition to loading and transportation and unloading, we also provide many other services, including packing and unpacking services, moving supplies, and on time move and upfront pricing. Choosing to hire an Illinois moving company may not seem like it's worth the expense. A local moving company offers many advantages, which can make it well worth the expense. A reliable moving company is going to enable you to preserve time, regardless of how far you're moving. Movers can also ensure you don't have to do any heavy lifting. Our team of experienced movers will certainly make sure your move is extremely efficient. Moving day gets simpler with 3 movers, simply because we improve your whole entire move. Even though your move is large enough that it would take you all week, we can get done in no more than a single day. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Lincolnwood moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.